Hey everybody, well, we're spending a day on the farm. We got the two drakes over here. I got mama sitting on eggs and a mama that hatched babies. Then of course we had our other babies that Pop built a pen for out of one of the little dome sheds. I got a cool little duck condo. They're all over there in the corner. Anyway, I'll be glad when the yard guy gets to come help me get this jungle under control. After all that rain, everything kind of sprouted up. Well, we got mama and a couple of little baby ducks in there. And so we got the boys out away from mama, because he'll try to kill those babies. So when they get up big enough, they'll go in with the others. And then we'll put the boys back in with the mamas. Got another duck pen up the hill, but anyway, today is Butcher Chicken Day. So, get to see about the farm life. Try to sit y'all right here for this. I said potty out a word. Alright, y'all get out from here. I think I'm gonna need help. Y'all gonna come help me? Watch out, I got it. I need help in here, really what I need. I can't hear you. I got chickens clucking. I need somebody to stand here. No, it's not a white one. It's another Dominic.
That one right there in the corner? Coming back towards the tree?
Come on, hens.
That one with that big old comb on it?
Yeah.
That one that's right there, walking towards the fence. Right there.
That one.
No.
Walking toward the fence. There's fences all around me.
I'm trying to point.
Okay.
That Dominator looking one right there up against the fence with the tall comb. Right in front
By
of
the Silky?
No, the Dominator looking one.
By the Silky?
Yes.
Okay, that's a hen.
Okay. So that may be it.
That may be it. All right.
Okay.
All right, guys. You get to join along. We are fixing to butcher chickens. Yeah. Oh, thought I hit the stop button, but apparently we're still recording, so like I said, this is going to be the unedited real life version. We got Pop and Jeremy gutting chickens and peeling gizzards. And Sissy and Mom's on break. Mama was sitting down for just a minute. All hands on deck. I gotta get my balloon. Throwing feathers in there too?
I really was throwing the guts in there.
Okay, well I'll get the feathers out. Where am I throwing feathers?
I was throwing them in that big white barrel behind you.
Okay.
Just go underneath the house.
You can get a door open over here on this end. Open the door and turn all them lights. And go under there, I guess.
Well, it looks like the lattice gets right there.
We got the whole gang with us today, y'all. We got Mama helping us to pluck chickens. And,
Oh, are you?
yeah.
Oh, I did not want to do that. Oh my gosh.
This way. started what now?
We started before the water, but we haven't Well, can you see it?
What's the one that's got the fish chopped on? Yeah, it's jumping right under the ground. Y'all find it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get it?
No, I can't get it just yet, but I'm fixing to.
Alright.
Go that way?
I can't get that water out of the table. Cut that off. Good. Uh-oh, the water's about ready to go over. Can we turn it down?
Yes. I'll get it.
Turn it down.
I don't know where the knob is on that one. Is it here?
He's coming, Luke. Not come off where it is. That's the first time I've ever seen anybody go fishing for a chicken.
They just turn out better skin, but they may be some of the skin on.
Do what now?
There's gonna be a bunch of little.
I have to do them in the sink. That's why we're gonna just get them and get them on ice, and I'll do the fine tooth before we package. I'll do that in the sink, and we're just like you say, trying to get them ready to get that far. So what we're doing is we caught the chickens out of the chicken pen. We dip them in boiling hot water, and that makes the feathers easier to pull. And we pluck all the chickens, and then we gut them, and we ice them down, and then we carry them in the house, and we cut them up in quarters or halves or whatever, and we vacuum seal them. So y'all are along for the ride today. Okay, we need 2 chickens. Okay.
Y'all don't kill so many at a time.
No, just 2 at a time.
There's 2 up under Gary's.
And so right here is a chicken gizzard. And then you have to peel this little membrane part off of it so that you can fry the chicken gizzards. Sometimes it's kind of a pain in the behind to get it peeled up. But it peels up about like so. And you peel that part off. There's probably people better at this than I am. But you peel that part off, and you batter it, you deep fry it, and boy is it good. There's a chicken gizzard. Boy, there's a couple of those roosters popped that had the skin, because you couldn't hardly stick a fork in the gravy. Them things are so tough. Got the guys out working on the yard. We're still processing chickens. I'm going to show y'all how many we've done so far. These are the last couple right here. Nice little mess. Look at that. Full of chicken.
Check out cleaning gizzard.
Yep. And then we got these full of chicken. And then we got Jeremy pulling apart a gizzard. How many of y'all like fried gizzard? Leave us a comment. we're about to the end of the line. For this set anyway. Then we've got to do the next step. Well, now we are starting the packaging process. See if we can set y'all right there. And that way y'all can just kind of see the whole process. Start with the chicken livers. Then we'll work our way down. Y'all hang with us. How many did we get? Haven't counted it yet? Alright, yep, throw it in there. I'll get it. Alright, well, we'll come back when we get a count.
We ended up having 61 chickens that we killed.
So we're processing right now. We're splitting the livers in one package and the hearts and the gizzards in another package. Some of which will be used for catfish bait, but the rest of it will be used for us. I guess we'll have to go over here and see if we can get them in. Yeah, bring us a little, like a handful here. We got to try to get them in these things and get them. Just a little bit like in this one. There you go. And then maybe, see about right here. A little handful right there. Come on. Alright, one more handful right here. We got to get them up in here and try to get out around them. Come on. Alright, throw another handful, Jeremy. You'll just have to kind of just keep throwing handfuls. Alright, back up then. Wait, don't throw it yet. See if I got them all in there. Good. Drawed up inside of him.
The only one we got left is the little brown one.
Yeah. Oops, I gotta go again. He's got him drawed up inside, and I don't want to get his. Wait, don't throw it till we get ready, Jeremy. I don't know if I guess I got them. Feel like it's up on there and both nipples is loose. Alright, this feels like it might be. Uh-oh. Well, I don't know how to get it off. Alright, just... Alright. Feel like they're both in there now.
Yep.
Okie dokie. Ooh, yeah. Got it? Alright. Alright, we're going to have to try back up here and see if we get them in this bucket up here. Well, we're going to have to. Come on! Come on! Come on! Well, yeah. JoJo, walk up behind them babies. I got that one brown-headed one left. I'm pretty sure too. Alright, when he gets by you, Gary, see if you can. Alright, let's see. Grab that brown one by the leg if you can get him. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Always got to be one in the crowd. Come on. Well, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. Maybe not. Oh, foot. Does he look like he's banded or no? Come on, bring me some. Come on. Let me have that. Watch fingers. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, look, we can't have everybody coming. We just got to sneak up on him one at a time. Come on. Come on. go. Come on. Come on. I don't know either. Let's stay right here. Let me see if I can get them over to it, and I'll try to grab them. Come on. Come on. Yep. Alright, well, 2 left then, I guess. You said 2, right? Alright, I'm gonna cut this off.
Jeremy, ain't no need to chase them.
Yeah, we'll just wait. I'll have to just wait.
Man, if I could run them up in that corner and fence.
Yeah, well, we could try. Come on, let's all try to hem them up, I guess. That's what he said. Oh, yeah. Hey, let's try to do that. Be easier to catch them in there. And then they can get in there and eat that down, too. Come on.
Come on, get that.
Come on. Well, just have to be careful for that wire. I couldn't get it up off the ground, so. Come on. Ah, she's taking them way on down there. She's taking them way on down there. Yeah, and tomorrow we can feed them in here and then. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, drag that in here. I gotta stop sweet though. Come on. We didn't want her no way. You did your shin? It's that little brown-headed one, but I don't know about the little black-headed one. This one's a boy? Oh, well, I know that one ain't got a band, so let's go hem him up. had him hands on him. Here we go. Little minor brain surgery going on here. Get your stuff out there, boy. Get off. Get all the way on there. Yeah. Well, fellas, that about sews up a few days of work. 2 days of butchering and putting up chickens, and then today banding goats, and boy, we got them upset with us right now. Little brain surgery. Anyway, we hope y'all enjoyed this, and y'all stay with us. We headed to another adventure.